how to remove threats found by Windows Defender. So if you want to remove the threats found by the Windows Defender, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you're on the settings, now you need to go with the Windows Update option, or you can simply go with the privacy and security. Under that, you will have the Windows security option. Simply go with the Windows security. But if you're using the Windows 10, then you will have update and security option. You can go with update and security, and you will have Windows security under that. So once you're here on this page, and now you can go with the first option, which is virus and threat protection. Tap on it, and you'll get this kind of interface where you can simply go with the quick scan, and it will scan the files, and you'll be able to know if you have any threats on your Windows Defender. So just wait for some seconds or a few minutes. And once it's done, you can go with the protection history. Under protection history, now if you have any threats, you can simply go with the filters on the upper right, go with the blocked actions, and go with blocked items. And you can see that you don't have any threats right here. So you can go back, and your scan has also been completed, and you don't have any threats. So if you have any threats, then you will be able to have an option to remove, or just simply go with the protection history, and here you will be able to remove your threats. So that's how you can remove threats found by Windows Defender. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.